Hi, would you like to know a super simple two-step strategy to get more customers coming to you using attraction marketing? So in this video, we're going to talk about attraction marketing, attracting prospects and customers to you versus you having to chase them and prospect them. In the description of this video, there's going to be a link where you can see my brand new bootcamp where you can learn more about attraction marketing. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase anyone, they don't have to beg their friends and family to join them, and they can enjoy their lifestyle the way they want to build a business around their life versus the other way around. Consider subscribing to this channel because here I share with you every single week a new tip, a new strategy, new video comes up every single week helping you with your business. Okay, so here are the two steps. It's very simple. So you're gonna create a curiosity post on your profile, on your timeline, whether you're using Facebook or Instagram, and then you are going to post more in the stories. So I'll share with you exactly how to do this to be effective. Number one thing, when you're posting on your profile, you want to provoke curiosity. Why is that? Because you just don't know who is scrolling through your posts, who is seeing your posts, and they're maybe going to Dr. Google and checking it out versus asking you, and you will never know. Versus in your stories, it's a little bit different because you can actually see who is viewing your stories, who is engaging with your stories. So think about this rule. When you're posting on your timeline, you're posting curiosity, and in your stories, you're posting more transparency. So what type of post should you do on your timeline? It can be something very simple of you holding or using your product or doing your service, and do it in a way that it's not like it's covering the label, it's not showing what the product is, okay? So they can't, oh, let me see those like tiny little letters, let me go Google it. So they have to like go in your stories, they have to do something. Then you're gonna create a curiosity post using like a tagline, a catch line, something that is gonna get their attention, even out wrinkles, or helps people lose 10 pounds in 1 month or whatever. Create something really catchy, something that is benefit driven, that is gonna draw them in. But for them to check it out, direct them to go into your stories to find out more. And then I'll share with you what to post in your stories. So this is like the element. You gotta have a picture of you either holding the product, or it doesn't even have to be you. We teach our team when they first get started, they don't even have products yet, to make their first sales within 24 hours by actually demonstrating the product. So you have a stock picture of using your products, maybe like just a product that is not showing the label on the counter somewhere, like where it's being mixed or used, that you can use and then create your post that way. So it's very simple. You have a picture, you have that little tagline, something really catchy that is benefit driven, and then you say, hey, for more information, go check out my stories. Okay, so that's the first part. Then you're gonna go in your stories, and in your stories, you can show transparency. Now, this is the strategy of 2023, is create curiosity on your timeline and then be transparent in your stories. So in your stories, yes, you can show the bottle, you can show the label, because you will already know that people are watching. Who is watching? You can see that little eye next to your stories, either Instagram or Facebook. And I'll share with you a structure on how to do this effectively, so you actually have people raising their hands wanting to know more information. So that's it. Curiosity on your timeline, transparency in your stories. So here's how to do the story. You gotta start with a question. You gotta start with something that the first slide needs to be something that is benefit driven. Like, do you use this when it comes to blah blah? How many pounds would you like to use? How is your skincare routine? Are you happy with your skincare routine? Whatever it is, you create a curiosity, like a question-based slide, You can use a poll there, which is great because when the people vote on your poll inside of your stories, it actually gets them inside of your messenger. So you can directly message them, or they actually raise their hands because they ended up in your messenger. And all you can do is then just say, hey, were you supporting my post? Are you actually interested in finding out more about blah, right? So you're going to start with that question, use the poll or use one of the question features, anything like that encourages people to take some kind of action in your story. Now the second part is going to be, you're going to now list the benefits. You're going to go blah, 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 blah. This is what this does. This is why I'm using it. This is why I'm so excited. So you're going to list the benefits in the second slide. The third slide is going to be a proof, like a social proof of this product works for others. So it can be before and after stories, it can be testimonials, anything like that. So have a few slides or just one about the results people are having with this. And then the last one is going to be call to action. Now, call to action can be anything. It can be simply like DM me for more info. It can be put the heart or thumbs up in the comments if you want more info on this. Or you can even put a poll like asking, would you like more information? And you can have answers like, yes, tell me. Answers, right? Always positive answers. So don't put like negative answers because you don't want people who say no. Just say, hey, yes, or I do, or whatever. Like the answers are both positive. So either way, whatever they click on, you get a lead. Another good thing about your polls inside of your stories is kind of put them in the right bottom corner. You know why? Because people are sometimes like scrolling through stories and they're accidentally going to click, and you want them to accidentally click. So you have a reason to actually have a conversation with them. So make them over there before they like go to the next slide. They can actually click on that. What's another thing that you can do in your stories? You can actually say, hey, go to the link in my bio as your call to action. And in your bio, you have either one link where they can go and purchase product with a discount, or maybe they can learn more about the product. That can be another call to action. But also there is a link feature inside of your stories. So you can use the link feature and you can create a shopping cart for this product with a discount possibly, or something that is like a limited offer, something special for them. And you can put that directly in that last slide and people can just go in and they can buy. Or it can be, doesn't have to be a cart, it can be actually where it's leading them to the product page where they can learn more about it, read more, and then buy as well. So it can be that, it can be finding out more information, it gives them more information, and then to DM you, whatever you want. So these are the 4 elements. So remember, the first one is a question, like something to create a conversation. So the question, and then you're going to post benefits, then you're going to post testimonials or before and afters, and the last thing is call to action. Was this helpful? If it was, like this video, that really helps a lot. And also inside the description of this video or somewhere around the video, there's going to be a button where you can learn more about my Attraction Marketing Bootcamp, and you can learn how to attract more customers, more business builders to you without you having to prospect. And you will also learn automation and how to do it in 2023, a modern way of building your business. My question for you this week is, are you utilizing your Facebook and Instagram stories enough? If you're not, here's a great start. So try this and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.